everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, my name is Bella and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hi guys, I can't hide it. I am not my usual chipper self. I debated on even making a video today. This time in our history, what is going on in our countries, what is going on all around the world is truly affecting me. Personally, emotionally, spiritually. It's breaking my heart. I don't know what to make of this, and I'm really distraught. And I know my channel is a home decor channel, and I always try to bring you guys some joy and happiness. And it's just really hard, and I thought I didn't even want to make a video, but then I thought about you guys, and I've been praying non-stop for 2 days now straight because my heart is broken. My heart is broken to see what is going on in the world. I don't know. I don't have the logical answers as to why everything that is going on is going on. So yeah, anyways, in saying all that, I hope that you guys are safe. I hope that you are surrounded by your loved ones. My prayer warriors out there, now is the biggest time in our history to pray more than we've ever prayed before. Pray for our health. Pray for our safeties. Pray that our governments are doing the right thing. Pray that people are safe and happy and that we will all come out of this unscathed. My personal business, what I make money in on a daily basis, what I support my family, has been completely shut down by my government. Me and the rest of the guys that work together will not be getting paid. We will not be working. We have no source of income for our families at all, and this is weighing very heavily on me as a single mom. I have a retired father that lives with me. So this is a really grim time in our world, and I am trying my best to find my smile and to find joy and happiness. So anyways, that's enough of me being really upset. And guys, really, I truly am upset. I just don't know why this is all going on and what is really going on. Anyways, on Monday, I had recorded the Monday's video really early in the morning, and then I traveled and I went across the border, the U.S.-Canadian border, because you guys know that I ship my products from my store, and I have a P.O Box, and I received a beautiful gift from one of my subbies. I have got to show it to you, and I'm sorry if I'm coming across in this video not my happy chipper self. I truly am happy deep down, and but this thing, this virus, this whatever is going on is really bothering me. And I am not a person that hides my emotions very well. I mean, you guys all know that by now. You know that when I get excited, I'm like over the top excited. But when I get sad, I am really sad. But I want to show you what my wonderful subby sent to me, and friend Sylvia. Oh my God, this is like the best. So thank you, Sylvia. I spoke to her this morning or this afternoon, and she said that I could say her name and show the beautiful stuff she sent me. This is adorable. So this is bringing me a very big amount of joy right now for many reasons. It is a rooster and chicken, cream and sugar. I love it. It's so beautiful. It's got these beautiful little dragonflies and bumblebees on it, and ladybugs, and it's the cutest thing ever. This really means a lot, and it really put a smile on my face, but I gotta show you something else. And I mean, when I saw this, I automatically started laughing by myself in the car, and I thought, oh, she knows me oh so well. It's this little coin purse. It is adorable. Look at this, guys. It says, "Just let me shop and no one gets hurt." That is me. And she sent me a beautiful card that I will cherish forever and ever. Also, I want to give a shout out. So thank you, Sylvia. And I also want to give a shout out to another lovely subscriber. Her name is Lucy. Her and her mama watch me, and they sent me a $25 gift card to Amazon. Thank you so much. This is why I came back on today. This is why I felt compelled to, no matter what, pull myself together. I mean, I'm trying, and make this video, because I don't know if you guys know how much you touch my heart and how much I truly love each and every one of you. Oh my, I'm gonna stop the video for a second. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, let's try and make, I've tried to compose myself as much as I could. Okay, so when I was thinking of you and I was saying that how much I love you guys, and I mean, your support to me is unbelievable. The love, the kindness, the beautiful friendships that I have made through this channel, through this little channel, it's just phenomenal to me. I mean, this is the true test of humanity, and the true what humanity is to me, and how beautiful people and humankind is. So I'm gonna do a tablescape today, and I want to invite you all. I wish I could invite you all face to face and invite you all to have lunch with me. So I want to set a beautiful table for my friends today and show you my love, because I come from a family that shows love through food. I love to cook and I love to eat. Duh. And I love setting beautiful tablescapes, table settings for my family and friends, especially for my friends. So this tablescape is dedicated to all my beautiful subscribers. I wish that you could come and sit beside me and we have a nice glass of iced tea together and enjoy a beautiful meal. And that is my wish. So I hope that will happen one day. I'm gonna start setting the table. I'm just gonna play it to music because my heart just cannot talk, and I'm devastated as to what's going on in the world. Okay guys, I just brought you off the tripod to give you better detail and explain things, and I want to start with the centerpiece. I'm using one of the little boxes, the decor boxes that I have in my store, with this pretty, very simple little arrangement from that I made with some greenery and a Hobby Lobby pick. This is my cream and sugar. because after any good meal, you would always have a nice cup of coffee or tea in my house, anyways, and some dessert. I'm using these adorable mason jars that I have with yellow and white striped straws that match the yellow in the arrangement and the yellow in the placemat. You can see there. The chargers, these chargers, I'm going to pick them up and show them to you. These pretty chargers are from my local Walmart, so the Canadian Walmart. They were very, very inexpensive. They were only $1 something. And then I used my beautiful brand new Wagman plates that you can see here. And I want to show you something because I wish I had found it. And I think it would have made the tablescape look even more beautiful. This is the Wagman salad plate. It is pink. I think it is so beautiful. I wish I found 2 more. I didn't. I think it would have made the plate setting look even prettier. But that's okay. I just used what I had on these Mikasa English country plates that I've had from the day I got married. They're my favorite. I got the entire set as a gift from my aunt at my wedding shower. And then I used the little bowl. I thought it tied in really nice. And I showed you my napkin rings already. And it is simple. It is sweet looking. It's very ladylike. And I really like it. And I just think it looks so pretty all together. Okay, my sweet friends, I hope you like this tablescape. I hope it brought you some joy and you found it creative and, welcoming. This would be the perfect setting for any ladies' lunch, I think, anyways. So this is my ode to you guys. If you were coming over to my house for lunch, during this beautiful season that we have, this is exactly what I would set out for you and make you a beautiful dinner or a beautiful lunch and serve you up some real sweet iced tea. I drink my iced tea half and half, by the way. What does that mean? I drink half lemonade, half iced tea. That's just the way I drink it. That's the way I like it. Anyways, I hope you have a beautiful and blessed day. I hope you are safe and surrounded by your loved ones and your family members. I hope that you have enough food in your pantries. I hope you have enough food in your freezers and fridges to keep, to just make sure that you're happy and healthy and well taken care of at home. I want to share a little story with you. Yesterday, because yesterday was the only day that I actually could go grocery shopping. Angela and I were at Walmart and I ran into this lady and my heart broke. This is why my heart is breaking, because she didn't have enough money to buy the necessary things. And I thought to myself, she's not the only one. She's not the only one. There's so many people out there, low-income families, single people, people with disabilities that rely on the government for money, for food. They cannot afford. They cannot afford to buy the stuff that we are buying. So please, if you see someone in your community that might need food, at least, and if you have it, please offer it to them. Anyways, I'm going to get off here because I have a very hard time expressing myself when it comes to this situation that is going on in our countries. From what I know right now, because I know a lot of you might have questions regarding the bunny cutting boards, they're in production and I am going to cross the border next week, the week after, and deliver them, make sure they're delivered to you all. The U.S. border has not said that I cannot go through. The Canadian border has not said that I cannot go through. Canadians and Americans can freely cross our borders. So as for right now, as of today, everything is still on schedule, and I will be shipping out the little hoppy cutting boards so you guys can have them at least for Easter. I love you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. I hope you all know that and have a very blessed and safe day. And I love you, and I'm constantly praying for all of you and thinking of all of you. Bye, guys. Love you.